Hello there YouTube land, and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. Bit of a grey day. Well, we're on another job, and this job is a fencing job, so I'm going to be putting down some fencing for a customer. So I'm going to show you where we're at with this and show you what we're going to be doing. So you can see the ground has been cleared, so we're going to be putting some fencing. I point my finger, actually we're going to be putting some fencing in from here, and we're going round, just round the front here, and we're going to be putting fencing in there. The biggest challenge will be all the various roots. There's lots of roots, so I've got to get into this ground and get some posts in, so we'll see once we start digging. But we've got an area there that is, I think that's going to be my biggest challenge, is getting in through the roots. So we'll see. I think my recip saw will come in handy, and various digging implements and cutting devices. So let's see how we get on. Posts are in. I'm not filming much because it's raining. Digging in the rain is not the most fun occupation, but we've got the posts in. But as they say, rain never hurt anyone. Keeping my tools out of the rain, so just been digging holes, and essentially that was, I could carry on doing that. So posts are in, so I'm going to start putting the gravel board, the weatherboard down the bottom, and then the cant rails on, and then we start building a fence. There we go. So there we have it. We have a nice fence. It's about 1 metre high. Most of this, if not nearly all of this build has been on time lapse. Yesterday, as you will see, in the rain, I was just digging away. Thomas decided to come along today just to put a few bits of featherboard on and use a nail gun. Yeah.
I did all the hard work.
Yes, of course you did. You did the hard work. So he skived off for some reason. I have no idea why. But anyway, there we go. We've got it capped as well. As you can see, it just finishes off a fence really nicely. You've got all the feather edge coming down. And this fence, it just slopes down. It's quite undulating and moves around and then comes around the corner. Approximately 10 metres. So about 10 or 12 metres in length, coming around the bend there. So a very nice fence. So if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and please click the thumbs up button. I really do appreciate it. It makes all the difference. So all that's left for me to say is, from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care everybody. Bye.